Good day to all the viewers and to everyone. Welcome to another video. We keep up with the series of SSHFS and I hope you enjoyed it, because me myself, despite the mistakes that I make, I still enjoy this series. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can mount through SSH your Linux folders on Windows. Okay, everything I'm gonna download, everything I'm gonna install, I will include the links in the description as usual. Make sure you go to those links to download whatever you need. Follow till the end, because I think that this one is really awesome, being able to access your Linux folders on Windows. Probably also for Windows, I still didn't try Windows on Windows through SSH, which is quite secure. You don't need to use Samba, which may be less secure, or you don't need to use FTP, which is almost without any security if you don't set up TLS connection or the certificates and stuff like that. So for this thing you need to do, or you need to install 3 packages. The first one is PuTTY. PuTTY is used a lot for everything, almost everything related to SSH, starting from SSH, plain SSH connection, even Telnet. If you want a video about PuTTY, I will make a video. I have it installed here, so I'm not gonna install it again. I will just perform a specific task about it, which is needed to be able to mount the folders correctly. The second thing that we need to install is WinFSP. We get it from the official website that I'm gonna include as well. We run it. All these confirmations you need to give the consent, next, and it's a typical installation for any program on Windows. This thing can be done on any Windows version, almost any Windows version, whether it's Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. I guess it can run on older versions, but I still didn't try. I will try and I will tell you. If any of you was able to try it and run it there, he can tell me here in the comments. Don't hesitate to comment and tell. If you faced also any problems, don't hesitate to comment. Next one is this package, which is SSHFS for Windows. Choose the one that matches with your architecture. If it's 32 bits, you should choose this one, x86. If it is 64 bits, it should be this one. And then you install it as well. Confirmations, you need to confirm all of them. For some security, similar stuff. Next, install. This thing you can do it on a virtual machine, or you can do it on a computer, whichever it is, as long as the 2 machines are connected to the same network. Or you can do it also to your computer if it is connected to the internet and exposed, and you have already done all the configuration to be able to reach it online or on the internet. Okay, after you have installed all of this, also make sure that your PuTTY is installed. For me it's installed as you can see here. We go to an application that belongs to PuTTY package to run it. We must do this to be able to mount correctly PuTTY, which is PuTTY gen. It's gonna generate the keys, because for the SSH connection you need to have a pair of keys, one public key as I guess and one private key. So we click generate, and then it says you need to move your mouse over the blank area here. So you move it and wait for this to be filled. Okay, supposed not to last too long. Okay, so here you're supposed to make a passphrase and confirm. It should be the confirmation should be the same. But for the sake of simplicity and speed, I want to make this tutorial the fastest possible and the simplest possible. I'm not gonna do it. You're supposed to do it. So choose your own passphrase and type it here. So next thing you need to do is to save your public and your private key. You write whatever you like as a name for it to save it. It's gonna confirm whether you want to save it in the program files or in the main folder of the user. Just confirm, it's fine. Yes, here. Give a name to it, whichever it is. I give a random name and then save. Okay, we're almost done. The last step is what's left here. If you reach it here, you have reached the end of this process. So this is the IP address for this machine, and this is the username, like this. All right. So let's go to the computer. This one. Right click, map network drive, and then backward slash two times, username, password, sorry, before username, after the two backward slashes, you type SSHFS and backward slash, and then username at IP address or your host name, depending on your situation. Sorry, I delete that extra 0, and then finish. You put the password of your username, and then you're gonna see what we can say is a magic. Okay, it's really awesome. Your files are are shown here, and the rest you can do it as I said in the previous video. You can copy files, you can read files, you can download files or move or transfer files. All of this you can do it. You can delete files. Okay, and to unmount, you simply right click and then choose disconnect. Okay, I hope it's clear. I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the future.